In the heart of Africa's rainforests, one creature stands apart, not for its claws or fangs, but for its mind. Chimpanzees. They live in tight-knit families, form alliances, and even plan hunts together. Armed with sticks and stones, these primates use tools to catch prey and defend their territory. Their social world is complex. Leaders rise, rivals fall, and every gesture has meaning. A look, a touch, a call it all holds power. From playful youngsters to dominant males, the forest is alive with intelligence and instinct. This is not just survival, it's strategy. Meet Africa's smartest predator, the chimpanzee.